about image formation by concave mirror. Okay, there are 6 mirrors. We have to draw first concave mirrors, and here um, first, second, third, fourth. First, we have to label pole, center of the curvature, principal axis, and focus point. This there is a center of the curvature, F focus, and principal axis. Okay, for all the diagrams you should draw label CFP, 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 center of the curvature, focus, and principal axis. Okay, first go to the where you are keeping the lamp. Here we are keeping the lamp at the infinity position. At the object or lamp we are keeping at the infinity position. Okay, and in second diagram we are keeping the object uh, lamp at the beyond the sea. Okay, first infinity, second beyond the sea, third is at the sea. We are keeping the object at sea, means lamp is keeping at the sea. And the fourth diagram we are keep first is infinity, beyond the sea, and at sea. And third is beyond the sea, and the fourth is in between center of the curvature and focus, in between the center of the curvature and focus. Okay, and fourth is in between the middle of the center of the curvature and focus. And fifth is we are keeping the lamp at this one, focus. And the sixth figure drawing we are keeping the lamp at the position of in between the principal axis and focus. Okay, here first we are keeping the lamp in infinity position. uh, we have to label A and B. Okay, here also A and B, here also A and B. Okay, and okay, next also in between the A and B, and here also A and B, and A and B. Okay, first what we have to do means uh, the light rays are coming on falling on the concave mirror, and there are two rays are coming out, one is up and another one is down. Okay, how means these two rays falling on the concave mirror, and there is a formation of image is formed at the center of image is formed on the focus. First it is coming parallel, and it is image is formed on the focus, and the image is formed on the focus, and it is inverted and highly diminished. Image is inverted and highly diminished. Diminished means ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಏನು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿಕ್. and image is formed in the principal focus of concave mirror and in front of it. Image is formed at the principal focus of concave mirror and in front of it, and it is inverted means ulta, opposite ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. it is real, the image is real, image is inverted, and image is highly diminished means ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, it is very small, and image is formed at the principal focus of the concave mirror and in front of it. Okay, and the two rays, one ray, it is very parallel to the principal axis and converges on the focus point. Okay, first figure, the position at infinity we are keeping the lamp, position of the image on focus, at the focus, and size of the image, it is very diminished and point sized, and it is real and inverted, it is inverted. Okay, this is the first, the image is formed. We are keeping the lamp at infinity position.